Hi, Joanna Hodorowska, Nutrition and Motion, Nutrition for Body, Mind, Spirit, and Sport. So a couple of weeks ago, I was talking about ACEs, and ACEs, maybe that's what's actually keeping you sick or getting you into a health condition. So one of the ACEs are the adverse childhood experiences. I call them the emotional traumas that we get in childhood, usually in our precognitive years, somewhere between the age of 0 and 3. We kind of use this as the foundation to build all our other beliefs on. And it could be as simple as, you were 2 and you asked your parents, hey, I want to play. And they're like, I don't have time. That becomes this childhood adverse experience, and it becomes an emotional trauma, and then we use that as a foundation and then build other things on top of it. So later on in life, these issues can actually come up as health issues, which can include cardiovascular disease. It could be GI distress, IBS, chronic pain, anxiety, depression, addiction, could be food cravings, it could be a whole bunch of things. There's a Nadine Burke-Harris, and she had done a TED Talk about the adverse childhood experiences, and basically she said that they cannot go away. They're basically, those childhood traumas, they're with you. You're stuck with it. I don't agree. Because with the clients that I've worked with, I've been using the Path to Heal work that I do, which is the energy work that helps to identify where these emotional traumas actually occurred and erases them from your energy field. It's kind of like, you have that ongoing reel in your head that kind of says, oh, I don't want to re-experience that pain again. So you do everything in your power to not re-experience the pain. But that sometimes means that you're creating other issues like the IBS, a sickness, it could be even, the flu or the cold. It could be other physical pain or distractions that you are putting in place so that you don't actually re-experience that pain. That's part of this, the ACEs, and the way that if they're not taken care of and they're not resolved, then they do kind of build on the negative, they basically cause health issues later on in life. So with the Path to Heal work that I do, I help to actually get these little snippets of, that reel that keeps playing in your head, and we make it go away. It's kind of like editing the video. So instead of replaying that video, we make that video section go away so you're not thinking about it anymore. So it's a combination of the Path to Heal with the essential oils, and of course, there's always the nutrition, balancing the blood sugar, and the anti-inflammatory diet that are always going to be helpful for any kind of health issue. But the Path to Heal work really does a wonderful job of identifying where these traumas originated and gets rid of them. And when you're rid of them, then you can actually be more of who you want to be. You don't have to have these health issues. You don't have to create these distractions or these food cravings, because basically you're using certain foods to basically provide you comfort. That's why they call them comfort foods. But the Path to Heal work helps to resolve these ACEs and these emotional traumas so that you can kind of get on with your life the way that you want it to be. So if you want to be like Nadine Burke-Harris and believe that the traumas are there to stay, then keep doing what you're doing and be fine with it. But if you want to get rid of them, it's time for you to give me a call. Come in for one of the group wholeness classes, which includes the Path to Heal and the essential oil work, or schedule your own Path to Heal sessions, and maybe it's the series of 5, because sometimes it takes 5 sessions to actually get to the bottom of that and peel the layers of the onion away till we get to the root of the problem. So if you are interested in taking care of your adverse childhood experiences and those emotional traumas, and try the Path to Heal energy work, to do so, give me a call, Joanna Hodorowska, Nutrition in Motion, www.nutrition-in-motion.net. Nutrition for body, mind, and soul, not just for your sport.